Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learn Technical. I am your host Adnan and today we bring an important learning for you in which we will access the system date in Microsoft Excel. So it will help you to making the schedule and action plan which you need to make again and again in every month. So today we will learn that how you can make your schedules and action plan accordingly once and then it will be make for every month for you and it will save lot of your time. Before starting the session, I would like to request you that if you are on first time on our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell button so you will get notified for our new sessions as well. So let's start. First of all, I am making a schedule, for example, name, then task number, start date and date and number of days. Now I need to enter Lena, John, Tom and Adnan, myself and my brother Farhan. Now this is the 5 member which I have given the task 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now I want to give Lena the start date from today. I want to is equal to it and then type today and open the bracket, then close the bracket. Now it will bring the today date. My system date is today is 30th June 2021. If you want to change the format, you can change it. What you need to do is you need to click on the right click on the cell, then select format cell. Then if you need to short date, you can select a short date as well. Now next thing is that I need to give Lena to 5 days a task. It's mean that Lena need to end the task after 5 days. So what I only need to do, I need to is equal to it and then select this cell and is equals to 5. Now what I need to do that Lena, how many days Lena have taken the time to completing the task. So I need to once again is equal to it and then select the date and then it will minus from the start date. Now there is a 5 days have been given to this. Now I want to give the John that Lena will complete the task, then John will assign a task. So what I need to do is I need to give after Lena 2 days, John will start the task. The Lena 2 days have been end on July of 5th, 2021. So I will add the 2 days. So this is the 7th July 2021 have been came. Now what I need to do, I need to give the same time to John, Tom, Adnan and Farhan. I just only select these 2 cells and just drag it over here so it will be came for me. Now this is the Tom, Adnan and Farhan have been left. Same I will do over here and it will be created for me. So you can see that everyone member will get 5 days to complete their task and it is very easy. Now you can save this format on your desktop. I will give the name schedule. I have saved the schedule. Now what I need to do, I will close the Excel and you can see there is a schedule file is over here. So now I will go to the control panel and change my system date over there to check that my Excel file have been working or not. Change my date. I will do it for select 2nd July 2021 over here. Now I press OK and then I close it, and after that I will open my schedule. It will be start from 2nd July 2021. So let's see. You can see the schedule has been started from 2nd July, and according to 2nd July 5 days it will be given to Lena, 5 days to John, and everything is made for me and ready for me now. It's very easy and you can use day-to-day activities every month. Lot of the time you have making schedules and action plan on every monthly basis, so it will really a helpful trick which will help you to create your schedule and action plan, which will save you a lot of time. I hope you will like this session, and if you like this session, so please press the like button. We are very thankful to you, and Allah Hafiz, and see you soon in a next learning session.